In today's fast-paced world, technology is an integral part of our everyday lives, connecting us in ways we couldn't imagine just a few decades ago. But have you ever wondered how we communicate with these complex systems? Enter human-machine interfaces, or HMIs. HMIs are the crucial point of interaction between humans and machines. They enable us to control and monitor devices through intuitive interfaces like touchscreens, buttons, and voice commands. Take smart homes, for example. With the touch of a button or a simple voice command, you can adjust the lighting, control the temperature, and even lock your doors. HMIs make this seamless interaction possible, enhancing convenience and security. In automobiles, HMIs have revolutionized driving experiences. From navigating with GPS to managing entertainment systems, these interfaces ensure that drivers can access information quickly and safely, keeping their focus on the road ahead. Even in personal health and fitness, HMIs play a pivotal role. Wearable devices provide real-time data on your health metrics, empowering you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Beyond personal use, HMIs are vital in industrial settings. They help workers efficiently manage complex machinery, monitor production processes, and troubleshoot issues, ensuring a productive and safe work environment. From simplifying daily tasks to optimizing industrial operations, human-machine interfaces are the backbone of our interaction with technology. As we continue to innovate, HMIs will evolve, becoming even more integral to our lives, bridging the gap between humans and machines. The future is here, and it's more interactive than ever before. Global Electronic Services is manufacturing's #1 source for repair, sales, and service of all industrial electronics, servo motors, AC and DC motors, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Have a repair? We can help. Call or visit our website today. For more technical videos such as this one, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.